In this video, I am going to explain you percentage. Percentage means hundreds part means x percent. X percent means x upon 100. Otherwise, you can write x hundreds. Okay. So 9% means 9 upon 100. Okay. Now, question is write 9% in decimal form. Decimal form, to write in decimal form, means 11%. You have to write this 11% in decimal form. So you will write 11 upon 100. So it will become 0.11. 7.8. Convert it into percentage. इसको हमको परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो 7.8, 78 upon 10. Now you have to convert it into percentage. So to convert it in percentage, you have to multiply 10 in numerator and 10 in denominator. So it will become 780 upon 100. So 780%. This was first method. And the other method is 7.8, 78 upon 10 into 100%. Multiply 100%. So 0 will be cancelled. So 780%. Okay. So first method is by multiplying to make denominator 100. Your focus. Another question I am giving you. This is first question. This is another. Now third one. Convert 3 upon 5 into percent. Okay. So first method is 3 upon 5 20 into 20 to make denominator 100. So it will become 60 upon 100 means 60%. Okay, this is first method. Another method is 3 upon 5 into 100%. Not by 100, 100%. So 5 ones are, 5 20s are. So it will become 60%. Now, more question based on percentage. First is write in fraction. So 48% means 48 upon 100. 2.5% means 2.5 upon 100. Now remove this decimal. So it will become 25 upon 100. Now simplify. 5 5s are, 5 2s are, means write in fraction. Now 5 1s are, 5 40s are. So 1 upon 40. Okay. Now simplify this. So 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 4 2s are, 4 5s are. So here your answer is 12 upon 25. Okay. Now next question is write in ratio. Write in ratio means 125%. So upon 100. 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 2s are, 0s are, 5 5s are, 5 4s are. So 5 upon 4. So your answer is 5:4. It's your answer. Now here 72%. 72 upon 100. So 4 1s are, 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are, 4 5s are. So 18 upon 25 So your answer is 18:25. It's your answer. Now, next question is convert into percentage. Fraction is given and you have to convert it into percentage. 4:5. So, you can write it as 4/5. So, 4/5 into 100%. 4 ones are, 4 20s are, 24s are, 80%. Next question is find 4.5% of 3600. So 4.5% of 3600 of means multiply. 4.5% of 3600. So it will become 9/2% into 100 of 3600. 20, 20, 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 8s are 16. So 9 into 18. 162. Suppose it is rupees here. Find 4.5% of rupees 3600. So your answer will be 162 rupees. It's your answer. Now, next question is what percent of 5 kg is 200 gram? So, 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. Okay. So, required percent is percent equals to 200 upon 200 gram upon 5 kg. Now you have to convert this 5 kg into grams, means 200 upon 5000 grams. Okay, 20, 20, 5 ones are 5, 25s are, means 1 upon 25%. Okay, now if 16% of number is 72, find number. So, solution, let number be x. 16% number is 72. You have to find out number. So, number be x. So, 16% of x equals to 72. It is given in question. 16 upon 100 into x equals to 72. So, x equals to 72 into 100 upon 16. Okay. Now, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 50s are. So, x equals to 9 into 50, that is 450. So 16% of number is 72. So what is the number? X is 450. So 450 is your answer. Now next question is a team wins 7 games, which is 35% of total games. How many games were played? So total games, so let total played games x. Okay, now 35% of x is 7, means 7 games were totally won and they were 35% of total games. So 35% of x equals to 7. 35 upon 100 into x equals to 7. So x equals to 7 into 100 upon 35. 7 1s are 7 5s are 5 1s are 5 20s are. So how many total games were played? Total 20 games were played. It's our answer. Okay. Now next question is, in an exam 40% marks are passing marks. Rahul gets 185 marks and fails by 15 marks. Find maximum marks. So solution is, let maximum marks be x. He gets 185 marks and failed by 15 marks. So required passing marks. 185 plus 15, that is 200. Okay. So this much. Now 40% of x. 40% of x equals to 200. If he gets 200 marks, he will be passed. So 40 upon 100 into x equals to 200. So x equals to 200 into 40 upon 100. 20 20. Now sorry, I have written wrong here. So 200 into 100 upon 40. 0 0 4 5s are 20. So maximum marks are 400. It's our answer.